Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping. On the application of Remitly app, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.